name is Kim. Thank you for watching my video today. It's another beach day for me. I am at Fred Howard Park, and this will take me to Howard Beach. We've been coming here for years, but it's so far back into the park. I should say in this part of Florida. There are tons of picnic areas. They call them shelters here. There are a lot of them. One year my sister-in-law was going to have a party for her daughter out here for our side of the family, and you have to get a permit, stuff like that. It's a wonderful park, and the beach is even more amazing. This is located in Tarpon Springs in Pinellas County, right off the Gulf of Mexico. It can be very confusing driving through here, but from the entrance that I came through, which would be sort of a south side of the park, it's still another 1.3 miles to the beach. So as you can see, there's another shelter back there. There's bathrooms there. This is a four-way stop sign. Not sure what's over there, but I see a lot of parking. It might be a boat launch, I'm not sure. Here's the sign. It's $5 per vehicle per day parking. Where the one I was at the other day, Sunset Beach, we can see it from here, is free. The park does close at sunset, which right now is 8:30. There we are. So that's it. That's the extent of the beach I'm going to. I guess that's why they charge for parking, the parking lot. Well, it's probably the same size as Sunset Beach also. I don't know. Might be for maintenance purposes. But this is it. This parking lot is about 3 times as big as the one in Sunset Beach. And there was a sign back there that said no pets beyond this point. Oh, that's so cute. They rent. See, I love beaches like that. Oh, I wish my son would have come with me. But I left him sleeping. I didn't want to wait all day. Yeah, this is a very big parking lot. Bigger than most. I think Sand Key is the only one probably bigger than this. Where do we want to go? When I come to the beach, I try to park as close to the bathroom and shower area as possible, because at the end of my beach journey, I'm really tired and don't want to walk very far, and it's just easier for me. But when you get here in the beginning, the first thing you should do, and when you're in Florida, is take a picture of your license plate, which I've already done, because now we have to go by parking, and some machines ask for your license plate, some don't. Mine is right there. This one wants you to display it on the dash. Others will tell you you don't have to, it's by license plate. So, see, enter license plate number. It's done. I am going to grab my stuff and find a spot. I really don't spend a lot of time on this side. I'm usually in the water. It's so dead today. Goodness. But it's still beautiful. The white sands, all the palm trees, and the families. So I'll be in there for a little while. So I've been here about 2 hours and I think that's good. I don't want to get too much sun and the water isn't moving enough for my liking, so I was in there most of the time. I went into the bathhouse there. There's a shower outside. I rinsed off completely, went in and changed. I bring undergarments and try not to get her in my shot. I bring undergarments and sundress and dried off as best I could. I just don't like driving home with the bathing suit on, so I'm good now. I wanted to walk around and take a little more footage, but I'll do that next time I come. I'll do it before I get in the water.